Hey creators! In this video, I'll show you how to upload shorts from PC or laptop. Let's dive in. First, log into YouTube and make sure you're signed into your channel on your browser. Click the Create button in the top right corner. Then select Upload Video. That's your starting point. Next, choose your video file. Make sure it's in vertical format and under 60 seconds. That's the magic formula for shorts recognition. YouTube detects those specs and automatically publishes it as a short. You'll now be in the upload flow of YouTube Studio. Add your title, description, and check your privacy settings. Public, private, or unlisted. Once you're happy with the details, click Publish, and you're done. Your short is now live and ready to gain traction on YouTube's Shorts feed. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.